Good day, I'm Stephen McHugh, and this is your JIS News for Thursday, July 13, 2023. Government has set aside $2 billion to purchase textbooks and e-book licenses for primary and secondary school students in the upcoming academic year. Minister of Education and Youth Favour Williams says the distribution of textbooks for several subjects has already started. These include English textbooks for grades 4 through 6, which is slated to be completed by July 30.
For our grades 1 to 4 math textbook, distribution will commence July 24th. For grade 5 to 6, Rediscovering Maths, distribution already begun in several parishes. Distribution is expected to be completed by July 20th. First Steps in Science, again for grades 4 to 6, distribution started. So too, Social Studies for grades 4 to 6, distribution already started.
The minister was addressing Wednesday's post-cabinet press briefing at Jamaica House. She says the ministry has received almost 11,000 e-book licenses for children in grades 7 through 11 and is in the process of giving the e-books to the appropriate schools and students. These include grade 11 texts for CSEC accounts, principles of business, and office administration. Distribution has already been completed for other grade 11 disciplines such as information technology.
We're happy in terms of the ability to be ahead of the curve this year, and we will continue, obviously, as we go ahead to ensure that we continue to streamline the arrival and distribution of textbooks in the school years ahead.
The Education Ministry is also reporting that the distribution of furniture for schools is well underway. This includes 2,100 student desks and chairs, as well as 100 teacher desks.
Production will continue, and we expect that Brownstown High School will deliver 600 students' desks and chairs by July 15th, another 600 pieces by August 15th. Veertech will provide 1,000 pieces by July 15th as well, and August 15th, Mouchette High and Alphonso Davis High are also expected to provide 1,000 pieces, again by August 15th.
Belmont Academy and St. Andrew Technical High School will each receive 2,500 pieces of furniture. Meanwhile, 12 schools are working to repair nearly 8,000 pieces of furniture.
We continue to believe in and support our schools, making and delivering the desks and chairs for students and teachers. And as you know, quality assurance is provided by the Bureau of Standards.
In other education news, approximately 28,000 students are to benefit from government's 2023 National Summer Academy, which got underway this week. The academy is being hosted at no cost to parents. It will run from July 10 to 27 in 57 schools using face-to-face and online modalities. Approximately 7,800 students are participating in person, while another 20,000 will join virtually. The program will be delivered by the Education Ministry's team of technical officers, including numeracy and literacy coaches or specialists. It's part of the ministry's efforts to provide extended learning opportunities for grades 5 and 6 students who still require additional support to recover from the impact of disruptions caused by the COVID-19 pandemic. In other news, government has committed $35 million to the Jamaica Organic Agriculture Movement, JOAM, for the next 3 years. This is part of interventions to improve the country's food security. State Minister of Agriculture Franklin Witter made the announcement at the JOAM's annual Farming as a Business conference held recently at the University of Technology. He said the funds would go towards the JOAM's Soil Regeneration and Fertility Development Project.
The objective of this project includes rebuilding soil health, training farmers on soil and water management techniques, raising public awareness of the importance of regenerating the natural environment, among other things.
He promises that the project's outcome will create opportunities for farmers, entrepreneurs, and home gardeners who will learn how to improve soil health and fertility levels. This, in turn, is expected to lead to increased local food production.
We face a reality where we have the ongoing problem of feeding our people. And as I said COVID was a living example, and we should have learned from that experience. And climate change has hindered this in recent years. One solution, however, is healthy soil. Investing in soil health is one of the most important steps to address global food security.
And finally, Minister of Tourism Edmund Bartlett is traveling to the United Nations UN headquarters in New York City to attend a high-level political forum on sustainable development. Minister Bartlett departs the island today and is expected to participate in the forum's official side event on economic, social, and environmental sustainability in tourism tomorrow. The event is being organized by the United Nations World Tourism Organization, UNWTO, in collaboration with Croatia's Ministry of Tourism and Sport, the Ministry of Tourism for the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and the Ministry of Tourism of India. It is aimed at showcasing how multilateral public and private sector partnerships are contributing to the fulfillment of tourism's potential in achieving the Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs. Minister Bartlett says the forum provides an ideal opportunity to share the approaches Jamaica has been taking in this regard. More importantly, though, he says it gives the island a chance to benefit from the knowledge, best practices, and expertise in tourism that other member states bring to the table. Minister Bartlett is scheduled to return to the island on Sunday, July 16. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Stephen McHugh. Thanks for watching.